BNB, we start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here. I mentioned with the breakout of the 500, we can look for all-time high. And right now we see the price is at the all-time high. No one see what's the next. And with the breakout of the all-time high, we mentioned that we are the targets we can look for is 890 following by 1130. Okay. The only thing is if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. We are not looking for the reversal, we're looking for continuation. The only thing is whoever wants to look for buy at this point, they should be quite careful. They should know how to manage it because we're buying at the all-time high. Mostly we can look for the correction based on daily chart with the breakout of the correction. Then we can take the trade. Anyway, the price could break the all-time high and we're looking for continuation. And if we move to lower time frame, based on weekly chart, we see the breakout of this correction and we see the breakout of the all-time high is good for us. The only thing is how we can look for trade based on weekly. I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, okay. First, if we refer to the indicators, we see based on MACD, we have a divergence and even the second indicator. That means based on both of the indicators, we have a divergence and I don't see any trade setup at this point. Whoever get the trade for buy within this correction, they should either move their stop loss to break even or if they can book some profit. And before we take the trade, we have to look for the next correction or next trade setup. Okay, based on daily chart, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, okay, right now we're looking at this one. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And if anyone wants to look for buy by having entry above this correction, now they should consider whether they want to put at 717 or 726, okay, because of this shadow. Because if we put our entry above here, the price simply can tag and drop. We don't want this. And even if anyone wants to put entry above this correction, either above here or here, as long as the price tag, if we see there is no continuation within the first 1 or 2 hours, we should take out the trade. Okay. And even if the price continue from here, we should be quite careful about the divergence. That means we're looking for buy. The only option is at this point is to have entry above the correction based on forward chart, which we have to be quite careful. And if we move to 1 hour chart, similar to what I explained based on forward chart, okay, then if we move to 1 hour chart, we know that having entry above this correction, mostly we should put the entry above here. Having entry above here is very risky, okay, and again the divergence. Okay, from now, if anyone wants to look for buy, I mean, we're looking for the trade setup, and the only option is to have to, the only option at this point to have entry above the correction, either based on 1 hour or forward chart. Rather than that, for me, I don't see any trade setup, but because of the divergence, we have to be quite careful. Okay. Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and based on higher time frame, either weekly or monthly chart, the targets we can look for is the next target with the breakout of the all-time high is 890 following by 1130. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.